Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on gas, on Neo Gas, which it's a bit of a weird story. It's this crypto has rallied a huge amount. Basically, like the first time I saw Neo was I think right here, and since then, which is the 22nd of October, it's only 2 weeks ago. It's pretty crazy. Price has gone up a ridiculous amount, up to where it is right now. It's up about 416%. I know Neo got some bullish news, all right? I know that, but apart from that, I mean, 400% is a bit much. So I do think it's manipulated, which I say for a lot of cryptos, but I think most of you will agree with me on that for this one. I mean, the volume right now is over $500 million. Most of that volume is coming from Bybit, which usually, if a lot of volume comes from there, and I should correct myself, the volume is actually almost $1 billion. If most of the volume comes from Bybit, usually it's manipulated. So what's happening right now is a huge manipulated rally. And then at some point of time, it will fall down and it will crash hard, like very hard. So now the most difficult exercise is to accurately assess where the top is going to be and when gas is crashing. Because at this moment, I mean, if you take a look at this, it's technically very bullish. And that is the truth, all right? There's nothing really bearish about gas right now. So then we have to accurately kind of figure out some strong resistance levels. And the main price target I have, which is this psychological level up here, together with the 2.618 fib of this pullback that we had the 1st and the 2nd of November, that's $15, all right? So that's my price target. Because at this moment, if you for example consider the open interest and the volume, what you'll see there is that that's also still bullish. It's not growing as fast anymore as it was for the last 2 hours, but it's still bullish. So from here, what I would say, and I actually do want to take a look at some, like I think there's a lot of liquidity down at $10. So I would say that the area that gas in right now is really this. So between $13 and then 10.5. That's the area which gas is in right now, and we're waiting for a breakout. All right, and at this moment, because the open interest is still so strong, I would say it's more likely to get that bullish breakout up to $15, and then from there, a potential short could be coming around. But I do want to say that I will not short before I've seen a bearish confirmation. All right, so even if it does find resistance at 15, I will only enter if it drops back down below 13 or 12.5. All right, so at some moment, be careful. This is going to crash down very hard, but at this moment, it still looks most likely that it will rally up higher. And if it does not get any bearish confirmation from $15, it could potentially also still rally up to like 17.5 and 18.5. So be careful. It could still rally up way higher, but at some moment, it's going to crash down hard. And personally, for me, I feel like it's too high to still enter a buy. Like it's already up 400%. Sure, it could go up 500, 600% in total, but for me, that risk is just not worth it. The best opportunity in my eyes right now is really a bearish breakout and a short. But those are my thoughts on gas. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Lastly, I also have my own premium groups. For example, my Signal group, for which I published the profitability report of October yesterday. So if you want to see all of the trades, want to see whether we're profitable, which we are, and join some of the profits, check out the links down in the description. There you will also be able to find my premium group, which I also opened, which is way more accessible. So if you're interested in that, consider checking it out. Links will be down in the description. But for now, have a great weekend and bye.